2025. My name is Katie, and today I'm taking you to a huge food trade show here at Kintex. Let's go and take a look inside. There are already so many big companies here. Okay, let's see what the next company has in store. Jiwooeng. 안녕하세요. 이 회사 어떤 회사인가요?
저희는 30년 동안 육가공 기계를 전문으로 제작하고 있는 회사입니다.
Okay, so they already have a history of 30 years. That is a lot. 그러면 제품 좀 볼 수 있을까요?
네네네. 저희 일단 주력 제품은
네.
그 원육 고기를 이제 절단하는 기계로
네.
이제 1차 절단에는 요 커터기가 있고 2차로 요렇게 요 절단하는 이제 기계들이 요거 이쪽으로 오시면은 작은 기계들 여기 보시면.
Alright, so we have these meat cutting machines. And 그러면 먼저 이거 쓰고 그 다음에 이거 쓰고 그 다음에 이렇게
보통 이제 1차로 커팅하면
네.
이제 이런 원물이 나오고 그다음에
네.
2차로 커팅하면 it's called dicing machine.
네네네.
dicer.
Okay, so you have a cutter, a dicer, and then so this is step 1, step 2, step 3.
Yes, and we also have the separated skin vacuum packer and vacuum machines over there, so we can see.
Sure,
Yes,
let's check it out. So they have machines for the whole process, basically.
Yes.
Okay, awesome.
So it's our main brand new machines for vacuum packing machine, but it's also included MAP and also sealing packing machine. So we can use for this machine for 3 types all in one. So it's brand new.
Awesome. So one stop for everything.
Yes.
Great. Do you sell your machines in the domestic market right now or also abroad?
Also abroad.
Okay,
Like-
which countries are you targeting at the moment?
Mainly we target in China, in Japan, Australia, and sometimes in America.
Okay, so you're already pretty global.
Yes, pretty well. I'm trying.
Yeah, that's awesome. Okay, what are the next steps? What are the future plans?
It's my thing. So I think we have to make more team, like bigger team for after service. So many customers want to repair their machines, not buying new one. So it's
Yeah.
for environment also. So we will do on much harder on repairing, and then drawing new machines, but related to environment also.
I think that's a great goal to focus on the
you.
environment and then also focus on aftercare because that makes it a lot easier for customers to save money but also for the environment, which is such a huge factor at the moment. Well, thank you so much for the interview and good luck for the future. 감사합니다.
감사합니다.